Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you're new to charts? I offer a quick explanation video on that topic there. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where this green line here is coming from. And I talked about how, that level was very, very important, and the price is now separated down through that level. And I'll talk more about that here in a second. But that also brings about the first key update that needs to be made. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 845 on any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside is going to be that initial level that you'll need to keep an eye on. If the price can get back above 845, then the next immediate level after that would be that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average. And you can actually already see that the pink line has rejected the price a couple instances there. But the current value of the 200 period moving average is right now at $8.61. However, before we start talking about doing battle with 861 and that 200 period moving average, the price has first got to get back above the 845 mark, which isn't necessarily going to be an easy thing now, given that was a very important level. But the reason why it's so important is just from more so kind of a logistics perspective, meaning hopefully we can agree on this, that price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. And there's no doubt about it that on Thursday, that move there was very, very powerful. And then sure, the price did pull back, which, pullbacks are okay, but it's a situation where as long as the pullback doesn't go back to where it was, but now all of a sudden the price has entered into that territory where, yeah, this is where it was before the big breakout. Now, it's not like it's separated severely. It's still within a range of potentially, snapping back up quickly. But the point here being that the key dynamic next week is going to be, you don't want to see the price drift any further, because the further the price goes to the downside, the deeper and deeper in this section of the chart where it was before the breakout. And like I said, that's a total exact opposite of any sort of genuine strength. And in fact, puts it in some senses in almost a pump and dump state where you have a great move up and then all of a sudden the price goes back to where it started. Now, I'm not calling this a pump and dump in the sense that the company's being run out of a bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying from a price action perspective, and based on how the price is acted, you could potentially have that sort of situation. But yeah, 845, definitely the sooner the price can get back up there, the better. And you definitely don't want to see the price separate any further to the downside of it for the reasons discussed. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, after a very impressive start to Thursday, it's all been downhill since. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.